So in the last class, what we have discussed? We discussed international place value system. Do you remember international place value system? International place value system, we have two set of systems, Indian place value system and international place value system. In Indian place value system, we have the periods. Which are the periods in Indian place value system? Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. And in international place value system, we have ones period, thousands period and millions period. So I told in the last class we will do some more questions for international place value system. Anyway, I already sent notes for international place value system. I hope you all completed your notes. International place value system. So we have for an international place value system, we have ones period we have, then thousands period we have, and also we have millions period. So if we have a number, if we have an 8-digit number, if we have an 8-digit, let this be an 8-digit number. How will you represent this in Indian place value system and international place value system? So, in Indian place value system, what we have to do? We have to 7350140. In Indian place value system, we group this into the we group this number into periods, which consists of 3 digits in the first group, which is known as the ones period, then thousands period, and then lakhs period. So thousands period, lakhs period, and then crores period. But in international place value system, the same number, international place value system, in international place value system, in international place value system, the same number, when you divide into periods, each period have 3 members, so we have to group into members of 3. Both in Indian place value system, we wrote the same number in Indian place value system and in international place value system. But you know, even if it is in Indian place value system or in international place value system, the value of the number is same. We only just represent, we use different names to read this number. That is only the difference. The value of the number is same even if it is in Indian place value system or in international place value system. So in Indian place value system, we call this number, or we read this number as 7,35,01,430. But in international place value system, we read this and this same number we read as 73,501,000. When you read each period, you have to read together. 73,501,430. So we can name the same number in 2 different ways. Indian place value system by using Indian and in international, but the value is same. So in this one, in international place value system, what about the period of, okay, another number, so this is in international place value system. So this number is in international place value system. How will you read this one? When you read this number, we have to read each member, we have to read each group together along with the period name. So this one we can read it as the 346. It is 346, 340, F-O-R-T-Y. Spelling, please make sure 40 spelling is F-O-R-T-Y. 346 million. 346 million. 700 800. So the next period is ones period, 895. Again the spelling of 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 95. And in the last period, no need to represent that period name along with the number. So it is 346,761,895. So this is the number name for this number in international place value system. So a number which is in Indian place value system or international place value system, its value is same. Okay, so this one, again, one more thing. What is the period of this round figure, this digit 7? What is the period? Can you tell me this is the number name for this question, first one. Then can you write the period of 7? What is the period of 7? Period of 7 is, this one is the whole these three in ones period. So 8, 9 and 5, all the three are in nines period. Again these three are in thousands period. So if the question is to give the period name, you have to just give the period name only, not the place. We have to write the period name. Period name is, which is the period? It is the thousands period. It is the thousands period. Okay, it is not the 100,000. 100,000 is only the place. Period is thousands period. Now what is the place of 7? What is the place of 7? That is 100,000. 100,000 place. Is that clear? Do you understand the difference between the period name and the place? It is 100,000 place. So, can you find out the digit in the 10 millions place? Which is the digit in the 10 millions place? The digit in the 10 millions place is 4. Isn't it? The digit in the 10 million place is 4 and the period of 4 is million. The period of 4 is million. I think you understood the difference. Okay. So, we will move to some more question. Okay, I have given a number. You have to give the name, number name. You can write also this one in your notebook. You can write the name. Then you have to give the period of sorry. Is that clear? It is 72, 469, 158. Period of 6. Then place of 6. All the three you have to give. Okay? Place of 6. I'll write some question. 65 million 4001. 4001. Did you write the question? 65 million 4001. Can you give the number of this international place value system? 65 million 4001. How will you write the number for this number name? 4,000. That is, this one is in the thousands period. Thousands period we need 3 digits. But here it is given only 1 digit. So how will you express that 3-digit, this 4 as a 3-digit number? You have to put 0, 0, 4. 4,000. This represents the thousands period, and there is only 4 in the thousands period. So we have only 4 in the thousands period. So in international place value system, we have to represent 3 digits in thousands period, and that should be represented by, since only 4 is there, we have to represent by 0, 0, because 100,000 place and thousands place is not given in the number name. So that place, vacant place, have to be filled by 0, 0. How will you write the next one? 0, 0, 1. I think it is clear, all of you? Okay. Another question. 72. You can write the question. 72 million. 72 million 899. 899. 899. So after, 899. 899. In India, in international place value system, we have 3 periods: millions period, thousands period, and ones period. Millions period is, there are 3 digits in millions period, there are 3 digits in thousands period, and there are 3 digits in ones period. When the number name is given, if any period is not given, that period should be represented by zeros. And if a period is not given, that period, there are 3 digits in that period, so that 3 digit, that 3 position, thousands period, 3 positions should be filled by zeros. Again, in each period we have 3 digits. So again, if only one digit number is given, that also you have to complete by putting zeros when you write the word. Is that clear, all of you? Please, I gave so many examples as classwork in your book. I already sent. Please go through that and learn international place value system thoroughly. Okay, now we will move to two more questions. Okay, you can, very good, 92 million, 92 million. All others can write this answer also, 92 million. 100, very good, 143,000. 43,000, and the last period have only, we have to read that together, and it is 56. That is enough. 56, very good. It is 56. So one more question. After this, we will move to the next topic. 55 million. 55 million. Very good. 300, 304, 304,000, 304,000, 304,000. Very good. 619. It is 619. Thank you. 619. Did all write the answer, all of you? Thank you. In this one, okay, thank you. So one more thing, you can write this question also. What is the place of underlined digit? Place of 7 and period of 7. What is the place of 7 and period of 7? Who will give? 100,000, 100,000 place. Very good. No difference in writing a 4-digit number in Indian place value system and also in international place value system. Both is the Indian place value system, it is 1000, and international place value system, it is also 1000. Now we will move to 5-digit number. Okay, which is the smallest 5-digit number? 1000, and in international place value system it is also 100. Okay, now in Indian place value system 1 2 3 then put comma, 1 2 3 then put comma. International place value system. This is how we are grouping in Indian place value system and in international place value system. Now how will you read in Indian place value system? It is 10,000. Some are not, listen properly. First, Indian place value system, a 5-digit number, it is, we are writing the smallest 5-digit number. This one is 10,000. This is also read as 10,000. That is, 5-digit numbers are also, we are reading the same way in Indian place value system and also in international place value system. Now we will move to 6-digit number. Listen carefully. We are going to compare the digit. We are going to compare Indian place value system and international place value system. First we wrote 4-digit numbers. No difference. Both are same. Then 5-digit number. No difference. Both are same. Then coming to 6-digit number. So which is the smallest 6-digit number? This is the smallest 6-digit number. This is smallest 6-digit number. Okay. Now in Indian place value system, listen. Indian place value system, how will you group this one? First group of 3, then group of 2 each. But in international place value system, group of 3 each. Isn't it? The same thing in Indian place value system 3 2 2. International place value system it is 3 each. I think it is clear. Now how will you read this one? This is 1 lakh. But how will you read this one? 100,000. This is 100,000. See, the same 6-digit number in Indian place value system we are reading it as 1 lakh, and in international place value system it is 100,000. So what is the relation between Indian place 6-digit number in Indian and international? 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. It is very important. Both are equal. 1 lakh equals 100,000. Now we will move to 7-digit number. 7-digit number. So in Indian place value system, 7-digit number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and in international 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. International place value system. How will you write this Indian place value system? Put commas like this. International 3 each. So read this 7-digit number in Indian place value system. It is 10 lakh. In Indian place value system it is 10 lakh, but in international place value system it is 1 million. See, both 7-digit numbers in Indian place value system and international place value system, both the numbers are same, but in Indian place value system 7-digit number is 10 lakh, but in international place value system it is 1 million. But both numbers are same, which means 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. And the last one, 8-digit numbers. What about 8-digit number? 8-digit number. And in international again. So we have, in Indian, we are going to write this 8-digit number in Indian place value system and also in international place value. Indian place value system 3 2 2. International it is 3 3 H. Isn't it? So in Indian, this one is Indian and this one, the other one is international. This one is international. So same number we have written in Indian and in international. So how will you read this in Indian 8-digit number? This one is 1 crore. 8-digit number is, smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore, and but here it is 10 million, isn't it? It is 10 million. But both are 8-digit numbers, they are equal. Again, we got another important relation. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. And what about the last one? 9-digit numbers. 9-digit also. 9-digit. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9-digit. So in Indian place value system, we are going to separate by comma 3, 2, 2. Here it is 3, 3 each. Again, can you read this 9-digit number in Indian place value system? It is 10 crore. 10 crore. In international, it is 100 million. 100 million. So, what do you understand? Both these 9-digit numbers, this one, it is the smallest 9-digit number. In Indian place value system, same number I have written in international place value system. But when you read that, in Indian place value system, it is 10 crore. But in international place value system, it is 100 million. But both are equal. Again, we got another relation. What is that relation? 10 crore is equal to 100 million. Is that clear, all of you? So we learned 10 crores. So we have the first one we learned 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 10 lakh is equal to, the first one we learned is 1 lakh is equal to, in the other page, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 100,000. That is the first relation we learned. This one. Then we have 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. And 10 crore is equal to 100 million. And children, these are very important. And then tomorrow I'll just go through this once again. Please learn by heart these four relation between Indian place value system and international place value system. Sometimes I will explain once again tomorrow, and after that I will ask, please go through this topic once again, and I learned this one, and for that today we will stop today. Please go through the topic. Thank you. And we have homework also. Homework, exercise 1.3, exercise 1.3, page 15, question A, 9 and 10, question B,